2017 Forest River Work and Play 40 FKS for sale in Odessa, Missouri 64076. If you are seeking first-class residential living right on the campsite, then look no further, because this 2017 Forest River Work and Play 40 FKS is perfect for you. This toy hauler RV is 42.8 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that offers one slide-out, one large awning, and sleep accommodations for up to 6 guests. You can easily make lasting memories with loved ones and friends, because this luxury unit is ready to make all of your camping dreams come true. Hit the road with minimal effort, because this toy hauler offers the convenience of a leveling jack system, 19.9-foot garage for toys, and plenty of storage both inside and out. Get ready to experience your next home away from home. This 2017 Forest River Work and Play 40 FKS toy hauler comes fully loaded with exceptional options and amenities. Some of its impressive advantages include: 1 OwnerGreat Cooking Area with 3-burner stove, large convection microwave refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkTelevisionSurround sound, DVD/CD/ StereoSofa SleeperBathroom with shower, toilet, sink, queen bed and loft, AreaQueen bed and GarageTwo AC units, 1 in garage, 1 in living area, 5.5 kW generator, 30-gallon fuel tank, screen door for garage when doors drop down, and so much more. This 2017 Forest River Work and Play 40 FKS has been meticulously maintained. This toy hauler is perfectly suited for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams a reality, because it is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can take advantage of this impressive 2017 Forest River Work and Play 40 FKS toy hauler.